Let's take a look at the chart for Luna. Okay, so I'm not invested in Luna, but I've been getting requests for it, so let's check out some technical analysis for fun. Alright, so we have support right here, support right here, we had resistance right here, and resistance right here. Let's set up some trend lines. So we had this resistance level going like this. We actually broke that resistance going to the upside, and then we have this support going like this. In my opinion, this kind of looks like a flag pattern. Boom, boom, boom. We got to break out to the upside. What I would do is target from the top to the bottom of this triangle, maybe be a little conservative about it, drag it to the breakout, and what I'd be looking at is a target of 103.87. Right here, we got some green volume that looks like we're breaking out. I mean, it looks like the confirmation, a breakout confirmation. Also, from where we broke out to where we're at right now is about 16.5%. Right now we're on the daily time frame, so this is looking pretty good for Luna. Like I said, I think maybe around 103.87. Let's see what happens right there. In general though, the other thing we can look at is if we jump over the 4-hour time frame, we have support, support, support. Let's do an uptrend like this. And what I'm thinking is until we break this uptrend going to the downside, then we can expect to move up and maybe try to hit this target. In general, if we break this trend line going to the downside, we could use it as a signal that we might be changing direction, and or maybe we have to come in and retest this resistance, this previous resistance, this line that was previous resistance. Maybe now it'll come and act as support if we break this trend line. Maybe we have to come retest it, do something like that. But for now, as long as we're riding this uptrend going to the upside, I'm looking at this target over here at around 103. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like Luna, hit the thumbs up button.